Some places aren't defined by what they have. They're defined by what they don't. No crowds, no cities, just distance. Oregon's high desert is one of those places. From the volcanic landscapes of Newberry, through the endless sage of Christmas Valley, to the silence of the Alvord Desert. This is part of the American West that still feels wild. It's the kind of place that reminds you just how big the landscape really is, and how small you are within it. For us, this journey wasn't about getting from one destination to the next. It was about staying connected to every mile in between. That's what makes traveling in the Field Van SHYFT such a natural fit. When your camp, your workspace, and your home travel with you, you don't have to leave the story behind at the end of the day. You take the long road because that's where the adventure lives. This fall, we're taking you deep into Oregon's high desert on a brand new season of Outside Beyond the Lens. Another road trip adventure fueled by Field Van. Create your adventure.